Kickstart your day with low-carb breakfasts.
Mornings can be hectic, making it easy to reach for high-carb options like bagels or cereal. Discover simple swaps that keep breakfast both healthy and satisfying. These easy, low-carb ideas help maintain steady energy and support your wellness goals without sacrificing flavor or convenience.
1. Swap cereal for Greek yogurt and berries.
Replace sugary cereal with plain Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and lower in carbs than traditional cereal, while berries add natural sweetness and antioxidants. For extra crunch, sprinkle with a handful of nuts or seeds.
2. Switch toast for avocado egg cups.
Skip the bread and try avocado egg cups. Have an avocado, remove some flesh, and crack an egg into the center. Bake until the egg sets. This swap is rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, keeping you full and energized throughout the busy morning.
3. Trade oatmeal for chia pudding.
Instead of oatmeal, prep chia pudding the night before. Mix chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk and let thicken overnight. In the morning, top with nuts or low-carb fruit. You'll get a dose of fiber, omega-3s, and lasting energy without the carb crash.
4. Replace bagels with veggie breakfast wraps.
Ditch the bagel and use collard greens or lettuce leaves to wrap ham, turkey, and cheese. These wraps provide all the convenience and heartiness of a breakfast sandwich, but with fewer carbs and more vitamins. They're perfect for eating on the go.
5. Substitute pancakes with cottage cheese waffles.
Craving pancakes? Try quick cottage cheese waffles instead. Blend cottage cheese, eggs, and a bit of almond flour, then cook in a waffle maker. These fluffy waffles are protein-packed and lower in carbs than standard pancakes. Serve with a few berries for natural sweetness.
6. Switch granola bars for nuts and cheese packs.
Replace carb-heavy granola bars with a handful of nuts and string cheese. This combination is quick to prepare, doesn't require refrigeration for a few hours, and provides protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you satisfied until lunchtime.
7. Try a fast veggie omelet instead of muffins.
Rather than grabbing a muffin, whip up a 2-egg omelet loaded with spinach, tomatoes, or peppers. Omelets are simple, customizable, and much lower in carbs. Prep veggies in advance for an even quicker breakfast on busy mornings.
Make low-carb breakfasts effortless.
Healthy, low-carb breakfasts don't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By choosing these simple swaps, you can enjoy delicious, nourishing meals that support your goals. Prep ahead or mix and match ideas to keep mornings stress-free and satisfying all week long.